Hey there everybody, this is Brindle. Hope you're doing well. Hope this video finds you doing well. And today I have another educational Medicare video for you, and that is 3 things that you need to figure out before you make your selection on which way you want to go with your Medicare. So let's just fast forward. Let's say you already have applied for Medicare Parts A and B. We've done other videos in the past about how to do that. If you'd like to know how to apply for Medicare online, I'm going to leave a link down in the description for a walkthrough tutorial that we do on how to apply for Medicare online if you're turning 65. If you're over 65 and you still need to apply for Medicare, drop a comment down in the comment section and we can help you figure out how to do that. But this video is about 3 steps that you need to follow in order to make the right selection when it comes to picking your plan. Step number 1 is determine your needs. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, everybody has different sets of needs and preferences that need to be addressed when they're picking a plan and when they're picking coverage to help pick up what Medicare leaves behind. One thing you have to understand is not everybody's the same, and due to this fact, not everybody needs the same Medicare plan. Medicare is far from a one-size-fits-all type of deal. Every single way you can go has different advantages and disadvantages that you need to know about and need to be addressed. So sit down, have a conversation with your spouse if you have one. If not, write it down on the list. I encourage you to just somehow efficiently figure out what you need, what you don't need, and by doing that, you'll have a better sense of what you need to be looking for when you're making your selection. Step 2 is very, very, very simple, but also the most complicated for most people, and that is deciding whether you want to go the route of Medicare Advantage or traditional Medicare with a Medicare supplement and a Part D drug plan. And this is what people are so confused about, and they have been for decades now. Essentially since Medicare Advantage came into the equation in around 2005, 2006. Folks, just keep in mind, not everything you can pick up is a supplement. That's the first key. And understand that there are 2 different ways, 2 different avenues you can go with your Medicare. You can pick up a Medicare Advantage plan where you run your Medicare through a private insurance company. The private insurance company you pick takes over. They become your primary insurance. And they typically, not always, but typically they're going to combine your medical, prescriptions, dental, vision, hearing all together in one plan. You're typically going to have co-pays for different services that you use the plan for, and these plans are typically federally funded, so they have very low premiums, and in a lot of markets, in a lot of areas, they have no premium. Now, why this is important is because in each state, and a lot of states, depending on which part of the state you are, can also vary, the plans are going to be different in every state. Not every insurance company is going to be very strong in each state, and there's going to be states that are strong in and states they're not strong in. So you need to specifically make sure you're looking at your market specifically. With a Medicare supplement, the other side of the coin is you pick up your Medicare, A and B, Part A and Part B. They become your primary medical coverage. They pay about 80% of your medical bills after deductibles and coinsurances are met. From that point, a Medicare supplement is picked up through a private insurance company. It pays whatever Medicare doesn't pay. It pays either 100% of it or close to 100%, depending on the type of supplement that you decide to pick up. Medicare does not pay for prescriptions, dental, vision, hearing. The way the supplement works is it pays after Medicare. It's a copycat insurance. If Medicare pays first, the supplement will pay afterward. If Medicare doesn't pay, the supplement will not pay. So very simply, anything that covers something that Medicare does not pay, you have to pick up separately. So you pick up a separate Part D, D for drugs, drug plan through a private insurance company. It doesn't have to be through the same company that you got your Medicare supplement through. And then if you want anything extra like dental, vision, hearing, that has to be picked up separately as well. So in my opinion, folks, I think about 80% of the difficulty for people when they're first getting on Medicare is determining Medicare Advantage or Medicare supplement. Figure that out for yourself, and you've gone through about 80% of the battle right there. Step number 3, once you've determined which way you want to go, you want to make sure you're comparing costs, benefits, and drug coverage on all of the plans above. And I'm going to throw a fourth one in there that you need to be checking on. And if you picked the Medicare Advantage side of things, you need to make sure that the network on the Advantage plan that you are picking is going to suit your needs and cover the doctors that you want to go to. Because typically, Medicare Advantage plans come with networks, while as Medicare supplements and Medicaps do not. So, make sure that you're comparing the benefits and picking the best plan to suit your specific needs and preferences, most notably making sure that your prescriptions are covered and covered as well as they possibly can be, and you can do that by running prescription drug comparisons. Folks, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to work with me personally, I'm gonna put my phone number down in the description. I own a company called Brindle Insurance Services where we work with people in Utah, Idaho, and Florida. Currently, we're going to be picking up another state in the next 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. But we can help you, no cost, no obligation. We work with all of the insurance companies in the industry, and our job is to sort through the different options and help you find the best options based on your specific needs and preferences. We have no biases, we have no preferences, and our goal and our intention is to help you find the best available plan to suit your needs specifically. So call us. I'm going to leave our office number down in the comment section. Ask for Christian. I have a company called Brindle Insurance Services. Like I said, we'd be happy to talk with you. We'd be happy to help you if we can. And then also, folks, please don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed this video, if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for future videos and drop a comment down below on what you'd like to see in future videos, and I'll talk with you soon. Have a great day.